The CTC Parker Automation P31 is a single board PC with touchscreen designed for use in many industrial environments. The CTC Parker Automation P31 is a 486 base PC with onboard video configured for touchscreen use in an industrial workstation. The unit is configurable and able to run a wide variety of DOS or Windows-based applications.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.